Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Claude not working in your browser using several quick and effective troubleshooting steps. If you're trying to use Claude and the website won't load, conversations won't open, messages won't send, or certain features seem broken, don't worry. In many cases, the problem can be resolved within a few minutes. Browser-related issues are often caused by temporary glitches, outdated data, extensions, or connection problems, rather than a problem with your Claude account itself. The first thing you should try is refreshing the page. Sometimes a page fails to load correctly due to a temporary interruption during startup. A simple refresh can often restore normal functionality. If that doesn't work, close the browser tab completely and open Claude again in a new tab. Next, check your internet connection. Claude requires a stable connection to communicate with its servers. Try opening a few other websites to make sure your internet is working properly. If other sites are also loading slowly or failing to load, restarting your router or switching to a different network may help. Another common cause is outdated browser data. Over time, browsers store cached files and cookies to speed up website loading. Occasionally, this stored data becomes outdated and can interfere with websites like Claude. Open your browser settings, locate the Privacy or Browsing Data section, and clear your cache and cookies. After clearing them, restart the browser and sign back into Claude. Browser extensions can also create unexpected problems. Ad blockers, privacy extensions, script blockers, VPN extensions, and security tools sometimes interfere with website functionality. To test whether an extension is causing the issue, temporarily disable your extensions and reload Claude. If the site starts working, re-enable the extensions one at a time until you identify the one causing the problem. You should also make sure your browser is up to date. Older browser versions may not fully support newer web technologies used by Claude. Open your browser settings, check for updates, install any available updates, and then restart the browser before trying again. If Claude still isn't working, try opening the website in a private or incognito window. This launches a clean browsing session without most stored data and extensions. If Claude works correctly in private mode, the issue is likely related to cached data, cookies, or an extension in your regular browser session. Another useful troubleshooting step is testing a different browser entirely. If Claude works in another browser, you've confirmed that the issue is specific to your original browser, rather than the Claude service itself. This can help narrow down the source of the problem much more quickly. You should also check whether Claude is experiencing a service outage. Even if your browser is functioning perfectly, the platform itself may be having temporary issues. Checking the official status page can help determine whether the problem is affecting other users as well. Finally, if none of these steps solve the issue, sign out of Claude, close the browser completely, reopen it, and sign back in. This refreshes your session and can often resolve account-related loading problems. By refreshing the page, checking your connection, clearing browser data, disabling extensions, updating your browser, using private mode, testing another browser, and checking for service outages, you can resolve most situations where Claude isn't working properly in your browser. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, drop a comment, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.